everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start exercise 2.3 from NCERT Mathematics class 9. So first we will do question number 1 from this exercise. Here our first question is find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by. In this question we have to calculate the remainder and we have given polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 and we have given divisor also in this first part. Now we will start the solution. So by using remainder theorem, we will calculate the remainder. So how we will calculate? First, x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to minus 1. After that we will put the value of x in this polynomial. Our polynomial is equal to, we have given x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now we will put the value of x is equal to minus 1 in this polynomial. So here minus 1 whole cube plus 3 into minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. Now we will solve it. So here you can see minus 1 multiply minus 1 multiply minus 1. Minus minus cancel, so minus 1 will be left. Plus 3 into minus 1. We know that minus 1 whole square, that means 1. So 3 into 1 plus 3 will come. 3 into minus 1, that means minus 3 will come. Plus 1. Now we can see minus 3 plus 3 will be cut. Minus 1 plus 1 will be cut. So 0 will be the remainder. Our remainder is equal to 0. So this is the answer of this first part. Now we will move on the second part. Now we will start the solution. Here we have given x minus 1 upon 2. So by using remainder theorem, we will take the divisor x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 upon 2. Now we have given the polynomial. So px is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now we will put the value of x is equal to 1 upon 2 in this polynomial. So here 1 upon 2 whole cube plus 3 into 1 upon 2 whole square plus 3 into 1 upon 2 plus 1. Now we will solve it. So here 1 upon 2 whole cube, that means 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 2 whole square, that means 1 upon 4 into 3, that means 3 upon 4 plus 3 into 1 upon 2, that means 3 upon 2 plus 1. Now we will take the LCM. So here we can take 1 also. 8 will be the LCM. 8 1 ja 8. 1 will come plus 4 2 ja 8. That means 3 2 ja 6 will come plus 2 4 ja 8. That means 4 3 ja 12. 12 will come plus 1 8 ja 8. So 8 will come. Now 27 upon 8. So our remainder is equal to 27 upon 8. So this is the final answer of this second part. Now we will move on the third part. Our third part is x. Now we will start the solution. So according to remainder theorem, x is equal to 0. So the value of x is equal to 0. Now we have given the polynomial px is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now we will put the value of x is equal to 0 in this polynomial. So here 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0 plus 1. Now we will solve it. Then 0 will come plus 3 into 0, 0 will come plus 3 into 0, 0 will come plus 1. Now is equal to 1. So our remainder is equal to 1. Now our fourth part is x plus pi. Now we will start the solution. So according to remainder theorem, x plus pi is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus pi. And we have given the polynomial also. So px is equal to 3. So px is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now we will put the value of x is equal to minus pi in this polynomial. So here minus pi whole cube plus 3 into minus pi whole square plus 3 into minus pi plus 1. Now we will solve it. Then minus pi whole cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. So our remainder is equal to minus pi cube plus 3 pi square minus 3 pi plus 1. So this is the final answer of this fourth part. Now we will move on the fifth part. So our fifth part is 5 plus 2x. Now we will start the solution. So according to remainder theorem, five plus 2x is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5 upon 2. So the value of x is equal to minus 5 upon 2. Now our polynomial is px is equal to, we have given x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now we will put the value of x is equal to minus 5 upon 2 in this polynomial. So here minus 5 upon 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 plus 1. Now we will solve it. So here 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. So minus 125 upon 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8 will come plus 5 5 is 25 upon 4. That means 25 into 3, 75 upon 4 minus 5 3 is 15 upon 2 plus 1. Here we can write 1 also. Now we will take the LCM. 8 will come minus 125 plus 4 2 is 8, 75 2 is 150, 2 2 is 4, 4 15 is minus 60 plus 8. Now we will solve it. Then minus 27 upon 8 will come. So our remainder is equal to minus 27 upon 8. So this is our final answer of this last part. And if you have any doubt in this part, then you can write your query in the comment box. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you.